happened? I hope I've been recording.
Looks like JB weld.
Years ago, I started chasing this. I do have the wrong one, I believe, because that one.
I found the disassembly instructions.
That one is chrome.
That
This
smells like
one's
that
not.
smells like epoxy.
But I bought this years ago.
Good. Keep blocking the video.
Oh.
That's epoxy on there, in case you didn't know. Now it's on top of a real thin clip, so I don't know if I can get the epoxy to break free. So if you get my fancy nipper pliers that are up in the box, well, with the proto, I like the proto better. The ones on the outside are better.
Oh, you like this?
There you go. What are you filming, my knee?
That's a good question. Yeah, we get your knee. It's a good shot of your knee.
Okay. I'm knocking off epoxy. They didn't see how I took that off, I guess. I thought it was pretty good how I took it off originally. Probably didn't even see that in the video. Definitely epoxy, you can smell it. Heat takes epoxy off, in case you didn't know. But if this is aluminum, it'd probably melt. Probably is aluminum. Looks like there might be some kind of screw in there, maybe. I don't know. Okay, is there another screw right here?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's take that screw off, and it should expose where this cable comes out the top. And then I can get that off the bike. Out of the wire. Are we going to keep the epoxy bleeds stuff here?
I think we can let it go. Maybe we can find that
On the floor.
another one somewhere.
If we take the throttle off, you just put the carburetor right back on the motor. It comes out as a unit, no problem.
Okay, I'm sorry. What did you want?
I'm going to need some wrenches. Now these bolts go in the same direction on this down here.
Right, right.
It's only up here they're backwards. You get a screwdriver, take that off. I guess I gotta take the exhaust off too. Well, that's just springs, so that should come off easy. But you probably have to disconnect it probably right back here at the most, back here too. So the shock bolt's gonna come loose. And the whole pipe should just fall off as a unit. Did you just break the epoxy? Yeah. Screw in here, we'll figure out where it goes later.
I'm gonna put it right back in there.
Okay. We need that cover
That's
piece
small.
too. Free power there. Okay.
Alright. Good. This.
Oh, isn't that cute?
What?
Looks like the bottom of a fork leg down here, axle cap that holds the motor to the frame. It's got 4 bolts, real small. It's got spider webs down here too. No spiders though. So it needs to be probably 8mm.
I think you have the 8 down there already.
You got one down here? That's the one. Thanks, good job. Quick service, I like that. Ooh, that feels nice. Once you get down here and take a shot of this while it's still together and see how it's supposed to be. It's got 4 bolts in it, 4 nuts.
Looks a little gooey.
It's the only oil in the whole bike. Well, I like how they put the drain plug right behind the foot peg where I stuck it. So
Oh yeah.
you got to pull the motor to change the oil too. So it's all in one. You just do all the maintenance at
Oh,
once.
great design.
All the maintenance gets done at one time. This is a lock washer as well as the nut. You don't want that to blow off, you know, high RPM, high speed.
Speed kills, Tatro.
I like how they did that. That's even better than having a head you can't pull the head off or pull the motor. That's even better. I can understand the head, you know, you're gonna have to do the cylinder anyway, probably the crank, but what the hell? Why are you gonna do that on the changing the oil? That's just plain mean. Gee, you ever got that damn thing out, you never get it back in.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, a hard one.
Yeah, that's a good
Now
one.
get back, you're right. There's no way to get it out because it's you back out right into it.
I assume it's a solid frame mount. It's part of the frame. I don't know. Does it come out?
Bolt right there, maybe. I don't know, man. It's
There you go.
weird.
There's your axle cap. Looks like it's the same no matter which way you go. Alright, motor should be kind of loose. This is brakes. That's, oh, that drags on. Is that the? Oh, that's the brakes. That's.
You sound great.
Well, you know, I don't know if the shoes are working, but it sure is grinding a lot. These nice fins up here for cooling. Slick. Italians did really, really nice castings. Look how smooth this stuff
Yeah,
is.
man.
The Italians had great castings. They did do a good job. British stuff is terrible looking. This stuff's nice and smooth and easy.
It's like your teeth. You can't say that.
Okay, that's not coming up yet. Oh, you take the mount over here off yet. I still got more mounts. Okay, we gotta get you got a puller for pulling these? Get my red handle pliers under my head. No, not those. These ones. My nip picks.
Never can tell you.
My nipper picks. Okay, all right. Where's this thing go? Where's my flashlight at? Okay, that goes. That's hard to get to. This one's easier on the outside. So if we just take this and grab it, leverage it against the case. I falconed it off the case to give me some leverage. Of course, the springs aren't really that stiff, so I don't know if I need to do that or not.
It's because they've been lightened for racing.
Let's go back here. So these are pretty stiff, see? I assume it's a hole in the head or something, Finn?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta take the shock bolt off the back. It's a big, it's like a 5/8 maybe.
Be careful this thing doesn't fall on your head.
It won't fall on my head. It's gonna go that way.
It's back over here.
Probably a good time for an edit cut.
Okay.